Hey guys, so if you've been following me on my business Instagram, Ellie Page Makeup Official, I'll link it below, you probably have seen that I've done a couple live videos on there recently, kind of, in the past month. And basically, I kind of wanted to test the waters and see how it was doing little hauls there. That plus it was just easier. It was less to set up. I just put my phone up and I'm just like, hey, and it's unedited and here you go. So that was a fun experience and you guys seem to like it, but I also still want to continue to incorporate YouTube and continue to film for YouTube when I can. So I figured this time around I would show you guys what I got currently. So I get a lot of stuff, as you guys have seen, and if you follow me in different areas and social media, then you'll be able to see everything. But I figured I'll just show you what I got now. If you want to see what I've gotten in the past, go on over to the Instagram and chances are you'll find it. But anyway, so I'm really excited. I got several orders, so let's take a look. So from Camera Ready Cosmetics, I got 2 of the Kett 01 foundations for my airbrush machine, as well as this little baby clown white cream makeup from Ben Nye. It's so little, it's adorable. But I got these 2 foundations because I use them pretty much on everyone. I mix for the perfect foundation shade when I use airbrush, but I find that with my clientele, I still use these a ton, so I like to just get a couple at a time. I actually just noticed that one of them is the old packaging and one of them is the new packaging. For those of you that use Kett, I don't know if you, oh, wow, the shade is actually different. That is very apparent on camera. The new one is much more yellow. I never even noticed it. I don't know if, well now I kind of want to test. Hold on. Hold please. I'm just noticing this now. I actually really like the new packaging because it's more squeezable, so I feel like you get the product easier. But wow, oh, that's a bummer. It is more yellow. I might have to contact them and ask them if like that's the new formula. And I'll have to compare to my current ones because I have some of the new ones, but I never noticed that before. So I literally got this because I wanted to get over the $50 threshold so I could get free shipping, and I was a couple dollars away. So I got this because I'm like, well, Halloween is coming, and I did use a lot of the white cream kind of makeup last year, so it was like $2.88 or something. So that's Camera Ready Cosmetics. Next, I actually got an order from Sephora. So I do try to utilize my pro discounts as often as I can because your girl needs to save money, okay? I mean, the hundreds of dollars I'm spending on makeup, and I don't even know how often at this point. It's bridal season. I'm always replenishing makeup. So wherever I can save a dime, I will take it. But these 2 products from Sephora, I don't have a pro discount. I looked it up. It doesn't exist. So I just got them from Sephora. Marc Jacobs. They are the highliners, matte gel, and regular gel eye crayons. So I got Earthquake and Blacker, which Blacker is like spelt really kind of cute, like nail lacquer, but black added to it. And so I have been dying to try these for my kit. Basically, I've heard they're like the best at staying on the waterline. They're really nice and easy to work with. They're bulletproof, so I figured let's just give it a go now. So these are $25 each if you're wondering. So they're not outrageous even, because the Urban Decay 24/7 liners, which I also really love, are like $21, $22, so not bad. I'm actually really excited because they were allowing me to get my birthday gift already. And I ordered this probably a week ago. Oh, so that makes sense because they usually do 2 weeks prior and after your birthday, and my birthday is August 27th. So I chose the Glam Glow one. There's this, or there was Bite Beauty lip products, which are also amazing. I originally was gonna get those, but I love me some Glam Glow. So I got in it, it's the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. So hopefully, well, let's see. I was gonna say hopefully it matches me, because I think it's supposed, is it a tinted moisturizer? Oh no, okay. It's not a tinted moisturizer. I don't know. But this was really why I wanted it. It was my ultra favorite of all time face mask, the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Love that stuff. My budget just doesn't love it. So I was like, let me take advantage of it. My skin is feeling it right now. So then of course you get samples. So I got a Marc Jacobs fragrance, which I'm pretty sure they replaced because I specifically did not want a fragrance sample this time around. I try, but they still give them to me. And then the Marc Jacobs Shameless 24-Hour Foundation and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. I also don't think I asked for this, but you know how Sephora is with their samples. It's like, here are your selection, and they expired 5 minutes ago. So, so that's what I got at Sephora. It was a very big box for just that. Yeah, guys, even when this foundation is drying, I'm not exactly happy that it's more yellow. I actually really loved how it looked before. I felt that worked on a lot of my clients, but anyways, I'll address that. So then the last order is from Namies. So basically, I'm on tons of different pro sites and discounts and all that good stuff, and I've been starting to shop around and see where I can get the best deals where, instead of just like, I would usually just go to Camera Ready, but there were a couple items that were actually a better discount at Namies. So as long as I get over that threshold so I get free shipping, I'm good. So I'm really excited. I'm finally trying the Skin Iceland Hydra Cool Firming Eye Gels. I want to use these on my brides. You know, I'm all about, I want to give my brides a more luxurious experience. I want them to feel really relaxed and pampered when it comes to skincare and just the whole situation. So I have heard amazing things about these, and I'm really excited to try them. So I got the 8-pack because literally with the pro discount, so this is $30 in Ulta, and with the pro discount, the 8 pairs, I think was like $16 or $18. When 4 pairs retail is $15, so I was actually really excited about that savings. Then I got 2 bottles of Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. This is the original. I love the original. Yeah, they have a bridal one, they have oil control and all that stuff, but I find the original just works amazing on everybody. So one is for me and one is for my kit, because I also swear by it. And then lastly, so excited. Mostly I really try and just replenish my kit and try new things for my kit and just keep the money flowing into my kit, and I use kind of the bare minimum on myself, or I at least try. But every now and then, something comes out that I have to get. That was the Norvina palette. The Norvina palette came out probably at least a couple weeks ago at this point. And I'm really surprised it didn't sell right out at Ulta, but I guess they got huge shipments in. Good going, Anastasia, because too many brands, they sell out like this, and then they take forever to restock, so that was smart. Another smart thing was that I hear tell that Ulta employees got an additional 25% off on top of their already 25% off discount on the weekend that it came out, which means they actually saved more on their palette than I did with a pro discount. Mine was like 30 or 35%, I think, the discount. So whoever's in their marketing department, smart. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, I'm so excited. I don't actually own an Anastasia palette before this one. The Soft Glam was really pretty, was really tempting, but I'm like, I have so many neutrals, just like the Pure, not Pure Romance, a direct sales company, come on. Just like Modern Renaissance, right? Modern Renaissance, that's the palette name, right? Why am I blanking? Anyways, that. And then the Subculture and the Prism weren't really up my alley, but this one. So I have it on my eyes today. Oh my gosh, love it. It's pinks and purples, love it. So you guys know me, I've always been just super into neutrals. That's how I go, that's how I roll, that's how I live. But when I saw this, I've been wanting to play with color again. I've been kind of in a makeup rut because I love experimenting with stuff on clients, but myself, I've just been like doing 10-minute makeup look, the same look every single day, out the door, just get to work. Which is great, it's a blessing, but it's a curse because you lose like the passion for the creativity aspect on yourself. And so I was like, I want to play with color. This for me is a really happy medium because it is not just straight neutrals where it's just browns and champagnes and beiges and golds. But it has like the pinkier and the purpley and the redder and that kind of thing going on. It's a nice even disbursement of the shimmers and the mattes, just like how I like Lorac did that. And I'm just so excited about it. Something about this palette sparked something in me. And I got it today, and I tried it out for the first time today, and I really like it. I put on Love all over my lid, rose gold on my lid over that, because rose gold is like one of the standouts in here. Incense, Volatile, and Passion in my crease and outer V. Base as like the brow highlight, and then Dreamer as the inner corner highlight. I mean, it's still, again, it still looks like me. It's not like out there, but it's just a little extra something, and I'm like really excited about it. And I really do love their formula. You really do just have to press and put it on your eye. Don't dig in. That's where everyone is getting all this fallout and stuff. I made the mistake of doing that when I was in Ulta playing with it. I mean, it'll go all over the place if you do like what you do with most shadows, where you kind of dig and get product and then tap it off. All you have to do is place your brush on there and put it on. It is amazing. I'm kind of blown away because I've never experienced a palette like that. So really excited. I love that the package is purple, my favorite color. And yeah, so I'm gonna try my best to keep it clean because I know they can get dirty pretty easily. But that is what I got. Oh, let me show you one more thing, even though it's not technically makeup related. I got a brochure holder. It's so random, but I've been on the hunt for one that, first of all, would display both my brochures, because this is like my bridal brochure and this is my services brochure. So like this is all about bridal and sophistication and all that stuff. And this is about like my waxing and lashing and makeup and all those services. And I wanted a place that I could display them both next to each other. But I wasn't finding just like two, and I would have to put them next to each other like separate ones, and I didn't like that. So I found this on Amazon. I can link it below. And it's cool because it comes with dividers. So you could either, like what I did is one of them is divided, and then the back is regular. So you can put like a piece of paper, like I can make a flyer or something, which is probably what I'll do. Or you can put the divider in, you can put two more brochures. So if I want to put some of my preferred vendors in there. And that's the thing too, is I didn't want like a whole like 12 rack of brochures either, because I don't need that right now. So I just thought this was like super nifty. It was 15 bucks, well worth it in my opinion. And yeah, I took a chance because the reviews were like kind of mixed, but I'm really happy with it. I mean, what do you expect? It's a piece of plastic. So yeah, it may not be like the sturdiest, but I mean, it performs well for what it's worth. So just thought I'd show you guys that little extra. That was also got ordered basically around the same exact time that I ordered these other things. So last but not least, I know I said that like twice already now, I actually just made another order yesterday because I got approved for my Hourglass Pro discount. So I actually ordered 3 of their ambient lighting powders, which I am so excited for. I've always wanted to try them. They're 46 bucks each retail. So luckily I was able to save like $41. So I essentially almost got a powder free, which was like blowing my mind. So thank the heavens. If you hear little paws, I got a little one walking around, as you can see. Bless you. So if you want to see more on those, because I really wanted to film and just show you guys what I got at this current moment, because I feel like the orders just aren't stopping. So if I wait, I'll probably have like 10 boxes and it'll just be chaos. So if you want to see more on those, I probably will post those to my Instagram story. So again, that's at LA Page Makeup Official. I'll link it down below so you can follow that Instagram. But definitely follow me there if you want to keep seeing more updates. I try and do my Insta story every day. Sometimes I go a couple days, but I'm like, I love putting stuff on there, just easy stuff like here's what's going on in my life or my professional life or whatever. So definitely follow me there, and that's about it. I'm gonna stop rambling on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.